divide 194 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 4 and it is 44. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 4. So now there is no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 194 divided by 5 is 38.8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.